Hello, this is your science class with Mrs. Erika Acosta. We're going to start with number 3, day 1. How are you today? Okay, open your books on page 368. Cool, it's freezing. When matter cools, it loses energy. How does cooling affect water? Let's read. All the pictures show water at a temperature lower than 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. How do we know this? If liquid water cools to that temperature, it freezes. Below that temperature, water exists as a solid ice. Freezing is the change of state from a liquid to a solid. Okay, question number 1. What do you see here? This is an igloo. How would this igloo be different if its temperature was 10 Celsius degrees? Okay, if the water freezes at 0 Celsius degrees, this means that the temperature is warmer. The igloo can melt. It can start to melt. Number 2, how can you tell that the temperature of the snow is below 0 Celsius? Because you don't see liquid. The rain is not water anymore. Now it is like snow. Okay? And as we read here, the temperature when it is 0 degrees, the ice changes to solid. Okay? So remember, ice is a solid. It gets into solid when it is in a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. You can see the example here in the ocean. Now, let's see the pictures. Page 369. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Picture number 1. Hail is water that falls to earth as small balls of ice. See the pictures. These snowballs hold together because the water in it is frozen into a solid. And the girl can skate on ice because ice is a solid. If it is water, the girl will not skate. It could be dangerous. So, do we use this type of clothes during winter? When do we use t-shirts and sunglasses? These type of shoes are good to use during winter to protect from cold. We have this picture, puddle, and another puddle. Do the math. Solve a story problem. The temperature of a puddle of water is 10 Celsius degrees. The water cools by 2 degrees every hour. In how many hours will the puddle of water begin to freeze? Explain how you got your answer. We can do here subtraction. We can make a subtraction because we have to get to the point of 0 Celsius degrees. So we have to start subtracting 2 in every hour. Okay, look, 2 degrees in every hour. The first step is that we write 10 minus 2 and then we subtract. So the first example is, the first hour is 10 minus 2 equals 8. Second hour, 8 minus 2 equals 6. the third hour. 6 minus 2 equals 4. The fourth hour is 4 minus 2 equals 2. And we need 5 hours to get into the point of 0 degrees. We have to get in 0 degrees. We have to take 5 hours, okay?